Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X100 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the Play Store and click on this more icon right here. Click on My Apps and Games, and as you can see here we've got all apps which can be updated. If you want to update all of them, simply click on Update All. I don't want to do that. If you want to update only one of this app, simply click on Update right next to it. Let me pick for example this Google Calendar, click on Update, and as you can see now it is at the very top of the list, and after downloading it, it will simply install it and apply to your device. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your DOOGEE X100. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.